Hello everybody, and welcome to my unboxing of the iPhone 5S, I mean the iPhone 6. Okay, as you can see on this side, it's the iPhone 6. Oh shit. There you have it, guys, iPhone 6. Alright, let's open this up. Wow. I mean, right off the bat, like, you can see the difference from this model and the previous model. Like the iPhone 6, like, wow, you can already see the difference. Like, Apple has really outdid themselves this time. Wow. And as you can see, I got the gold model, and there's also a space gray and another gray model. But wow, this is absolutely terrific. Okay, let's go ahead and power this on. Let's go ahead and let it load up. Wow, off bat you can see the different features on this phone. It's incredible. The fuck? Excuse me 1 second. Hello? Why in the hell are you calling me right now? I'm trying to shoot a video right now about the iPhone 6. What the fuck you mean, what about it? I'm trying to shoot. Sorry for that interruption. Yeah. First time opening up this iPhone 6 and I already get a phone call from a stranger, and it's already set as a contact. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, let's move on. Yeah, okay, so let's see what the iPhone 6 came with. Okay, no one really cares about that. Oh look, comes with stickers. Yeah, spent like $600 on this iPhone 6, and I better get stickers. Yeah, sure. That's not important. Oh, some stuff is missing. Okay, this is where the earphones would be, the wall charger, and the cord to connect to that wall charger. I guess what Apple is saying is you can use the previous accessories to access this iPhone 6. Well, there you have it. Another year, same thing.